under 250.
Wait, this one's 250?
All of them are 229. 229.
They're both Jesus.
Yeah.
Are they? Man, I'm not gonna say it again.
Yeah.
I'm not.
That's what I'm saying. So let's say you did come in, you got this one. Come in 6 months later, get the other one. You got two
For $500, and they both come with a charger and a battery.
60. Yeah.
And if you want, you can turn around, sell the battery, sell the electronics and everything else, and make a little money back. And then, see, that's the one thing I like about entry-level RCs is that, or with things that where it kind of comes with everything, is that you're getting some of your money back as opposed to getting absolutely nothing.
Actually, what they really did.
What did it take me to get that done?
That's a lot of wire.
Hey, text him that he's a flake. Text him he's a flake.
Oh yeah, you both been meeting me here. You put a show also.
When you first started out,
1734.
the part number is like 2 something.
All right, guys, we're here back at Sky Hunter Hobbies, and so we're gonna unbox one of these ARRMA 30-mile-per-hour Sentons. These are, what are these? 4S, 6S?
These are 2S only,
2S only?
brushed.
So what does that mean?
So these ones come with battery and charger. These are the new and improved Senton 4x4s.
How much? And they come with a battery and a charger?
Battery and charger for $229.99.
Oh my God. Ooh.
All right, let me grab.
Man, are they trying to put some other companies out of business or what? $229. I mean, a battery and a charger?
For 4-wheel drive.
My question is, how's the training?
Let me get this charger.
As far as adding the brush.
$229, man. That's.
I think this one's 40. This is 40.
Oh, it's brushed. Ah, yeah, but still, man, that's still a good deal for a car.
Well, I'm gonna try this one.
Right. So they redid the gear, diff gears, brushless ready. What else did they do new?
That's my question.
And again, once again, we got my buddy RC here. He's going to give his opinion on it.
Oh, and it's 32 pitch. So it's not 48 pitch. So 32 pitch. Oh yes, it was way stronger.
Can we get this up on the table?
Yes, sir. And the new color is dope.
Oh man, that's like a fire red. So just so you guys know, this is like a fire red. This isn't your standard red that you would normally see. Jeez, man.
Wow, they redid everything.
And how long have these been out on the market in general?
They've been out for a while. Probably over like 2 years.
Oh, okay. But is this a new model though, or?
Yeah, this is, well, not new, revamped it.
Okay.
So, let's do this.
Let me get a photo first before you pull that body off.
Just the car and the buggy.
All right.
See what they did. So,
And that's the big boy.
it looks like, ooh, we'll do a side-by-side comparison.
What we got?
All right, let's go take
Do
this
some,
over.
even if you want to do some YouTube on it right now.
You called earlier
Yo,
about the
I don't
car,
have
right?
to sell this to you.
All right. We'll move all this stuff.
How's your voice?
Sweet.
Let me go grab a brushless version, but
Nah, do you think that's really cool? Busy.
all right. Don't mind the dirtiness.
You got it?
So, what's
I know, man. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, man?
And which model is this?
this is the Senton 3S, the old version.
Blow your mind.
So, what looks like to be different already is
A chassis?
the steering pieces are different. So this was their main problem, rocks getting stuck in here,
Okay.
binding everything up.
Let me see. Let me look right.
They went with the Spectrum servo instead of the ARRMA.
All right.
What else they do different?
Is the Servo Waterproof?
Yes,
So this one's waterproof. This one isn't, or both they
they're
are?
both waterproof.
They're both waterproof, right?
That's really the only thing I see different so far. It was just the steering. Steering's supposed to be different. Different steering arms.
You can always go brush.
Oh yeah, cause see, yeah, you can adjust it here, but on this one it goes straight across
On the brushed ones.
on the brushed.
On the brushed ones, the 3S ones, they are adjustable links.
I don't think that's a big issue to have them adjustable or not. Just one less thing to worry about.
So pretty much what the biggest concern was, rocks, wood chips, anything would get stuck in here and bind up your steering.
Okay.
So they
On this one.
yes, on the old style. So if you look, there's little holes,
I
all the
see.
solid pieces. So the holes right there.
Okay.
Rocks and stuff would get stuck and bind up your steering. Versus on the new one,
Whatever your
it's one
motor,
solid
as long as
piece.
it fits in the motor, man, you can do whatever. Nick, can you get the limit list, please?
So that's what I see different from those.
You want to put it on? Watch out, guys. Coming through, guys. Coming through.
You get those too? What you gonna do with that, Kai? Man, I'm watching that shit.
Yeah, you can see these are adjustable here on the older model. Then on the brush version, they just come straight across.
Oh, is it open? Yeah, so we got Bucky, short course, and yours?
What is run out? 3
2, 3.
No, say like grind.
Straight that over there.
Yeah, I know.
A little more, bite. I like
All right,
the
RC, what's your opinion? What do you think so far?
I love the Senton. Senton's cool to me.
Okay, so what do you think about the price of the vehicle for everything that you get compared to what else is on the market?
Can't go wrong. Under 300 bucks.
$229.
Under 300 bucks, you spend another 70, get you some Lipos. Good to go.
Yep, Lipo Compatible. Just move this little switch it to Lipo mode. Move this to Lipo mode, and you're good.
Which is, if you're like a lot of us are seers, what do we keep in stock? Brushless systems.
Brushless
laying around.
systems for
Salsa
days.
system back in there.
Yep.
You're still
got-
under 300 bucks.
From
If
Castle
you already
to
have your
Hobby
stuff.
Wing. Everything you need for brushless.
All right, cool, guys. Well, thanks for taking your time out to review the truck for me.
Yeah, no problem.
Not adjustable on the links, but not a big deal.
The brushless ones are.
Yeah, drive shaft still,
Still the
strong.
same.
Shocks are the same.
It's like
I mean, but hell, what do you get for $229 nowadays? I mean, really? You get it almost, well, back in the day, you get a Toys R Us car for the same price.
straight bro? The granite?
See, you know what? I like the price because it's tempting. You're not spending too much, and you also get a battery and you're getting a battery with it, all your electronics, and you get a charger too.
And great quality.
So, like, even if you had a little kid and you just wanted to give him a Christmas gift or something, this is the way to go for $229. Really?
That's gonna charge.
I mean, as far as the cost of electronics on the market, this is a great deal. I mean, I love it. I love the price. I love the truck.
You do need a couple of minutes to solder you up the right connector.